Good morning, students. How are you, everyone? I hope you all are good. This is your online class for the subject science, and I'm your science teacher from Crescent Model School. Already, we are doing chapter number 2, gases all around, and today, the topic which we will discuss is carbon dioxide. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain during photosynthesis, plants use carbon dioxide to make food, enlist the use of carbon dioxide, elaborate role of carbon dioxide in breathing. What is carbon dioxide? First of all, we will discuss what is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a chemical compound composed of one carbon and two oxygen atoms. It is often referred to by its formula CO2. It is present in the Earth's atmosphere at a low concentration and acts as a greenhouse gas. In its solid state, it is called dry ice. Role of carbon dioxide in breathing. The level of carbon dioxide CO2 is in our body is what controls your breathing. When carbon dioxide reaches a certain level, a signal is sent from the breathing center in our brain stem to the breathing muscles, which triggers an inhalation. Upon exhalation, we exhale carbon dioxide and a new breathing cycle starts. Do you know, students, how we breathe? Actually, we take in oxygen and we take out carbon dioxide. We inhale oxygen inside our body and we exhale carbon dioxide. So, carbon dioxide plays an important role for our breathing system. Now we will discuss carbon dioxide in photosynthesis. As you know, carbon dioxide is a gas that plants need to make food during photosynthesis. Without carbon dioxide, plants will die from the lack of food. Animals which depend on plants directly or indirectly for food will not be able to survive. Plants extract the carbon dioxide from the air and use it in photosynthesis process to feed themselves. The carbon dioxide enters the leaves of the plant through small pores called stomata. During this process, the plant combines carbon dioxide with water to allow the plant to extract what it needs for food. Now we will discuss what are the uses of carbon dioxide in everyday's life. Carbon dioxide is used to carbonate sodas as an alternative to water in fire extinguishers. Solid carbon dioxide is used to cool large refrigeration system, cement production, deforestation as well as the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, natural gas. Now we will discuss what are the main uses of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used by plants for photosynthesis as we have discussed it. Carbon dioxide is an odorless or colorless gas that is stable at room temperature. It is used for industrial application. It is used for chemical and paramecial applications, electronic applications, oil industry and for fire extinguisher. Carbon moves from fossil fuels to the atmosphere when fuels are burnt. When humans burn fossil fuels to power factories, power plants, cars and trucks, most of the carbon quickly enters the atmosphere as carbon dioxide gas. Each year, 5.5 billion tons of carbon is released by burning fossil fuels. Here is the picture which is describing the cycle of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Now, assignment for the day. You will have to write in your notebooks 3 uses of carbon dioxide and you will draw the diagram as well. Do read page number 38 and 39 from your science book. I hope so you all understand well about carbon dioxide. Stay home, stay safe. Good luck.